Hello students, we are dealing with the areas by definite integrals, right? So little bit different now. By comparing with the normal problems, these problems are little bit different. I think you are enjoying with this type of problems. Why? So here we have to draw the diagram and we have to take x-axis, y-axis, and we have to check whether which curve is coming upwards, which curve is coming downwards. And even I said the curve is below the x-axis, we have to take positive, right? Curve means the area. If the area is below the x-axis, we have to take that function value as negative. Even left side of y-axis, we have to take the function as negative value, isn't it? So little bit different when compared to normal mathematics. These problems are little bit different. First we have to draw the diagram, then by seeing the diagram we have to decide whether which value, which curve should be taken as a first, next which curve equation should be taken as a second, otherwise whether the area is above the x-axis positive, below the x-axis negative. Similarly, left side of y-axis negative, right side of y-axis positive. Like that, some different things are there in these areas, isn't it? So if you are attentive, if you are regular for the class, you can enjoy these problems. Okay, so come to the first question. Find the area enclosed between the curves x is equal to 4 minus y square and x is equal to 0. So first, what is the given information to you? Given that, right? Given that x is equal to 4 minus y square and x is equal to 0. What I said? First, sorry. First we have to solve the two equations so that we will get the point of intersection, isn't it? X is equal to 0 means what is that? It is nothing but the y-axis, isn't it? So we have to find the area covered by this curve and y-axis, but from which point to which point? For that we have to solve these two equations. So solving, you consider this as 1 and this as 2. Okay, so solving 1 and 2, solving 1 and 2, we get point of intersection. We get the point of intersection. Then what happens? If you see the left side of the equations, x is equal to, right side we can equate. Left side both are equal, we can equate the right side. So it is 4 minus y square is equal to 0, implies 4 is equal to y square. Right, so we can write this as y square is equal to 4, implies y is equal to plus or minus root 4 is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay, you got your y values as plus or minus 2 now. Okay, now we should know whether the curve is left side of y-axis or right side of y-axis. For that we need the diagram. To draw the diagram we need the x values and y values. For that we have to construct the table as usual, right? So construct the table now. So y values we got it. Generally till now, first we will take x values. By solving we will get x values, then we will substitute those x values in y equation. But this is special case. You got y values here, you have to substitute y values in x equation. Okay, so what is that? It is x is equal to 4 minus y square. So previously x values above, we will substitute those x values in y equation. But here you got y values and you have to substitute y values in x. Your curve is x is equal to now, isn't it? This is your second degree equation, isn't it? This is your second degree equation. This is the curve. Okay, so observe it, and small changes are coming from one problem to another problem. Enjoy those changes, take it as a challenge and do the problem, right? So come on, here the values are minus, what is the meaning here? Minus 2 and 2. Your y values are minus 2 to 2. So you take minus 2, 0, 2. At least 3 values to draw the diagram, isn't it? So come on, now you substitute y is equal to minus 2 in this x equation, right? 4 minus, see, 4 minus here minus 2 whole square. So 4 minus, this is minus. Minus into minus plus 2 square. So it is 0. Next, 4 minus in y place 0 square. 4 minus 0 square is 4 only. Next again in y place 2. 4 minus 2 square. 4 minus 4, 0. So this is our table, right? So now we have to draw the diagram for this table. Okay, so if you observe here on y-axis minus 2, 2 is there, right? On x-axis 0, 4, 0. Okay, so on x-axis we are having up to 4. Okay, so we will take like this. Okay, so here x-axis we have to take. Okay, so we will take the x-axis. Then what happens here? You take, this is your 0, this is your x-axis, this is your y dash. So on x we are having 0, 4, 0. So maximum is 4. So we have to take up to 4. 2, 3, this is 4. Next on y-axis we are having minus 2 is there, 2 is there, upwards 2, right? So this is your 2. Downwards minus 2. So this is minus 1, this is minus 2. Okay, so this is your graph or diagram. Okay, so now first you take y at minus 2, x at 0. So only y coordinate is there, that is minus 2, x coordinate is 0. So that means point lies on y axis. So minus 2, so this one, this point on y axis at minus 2. Okay, next y coordinate is 0, x coordinate is 4. Y coordinate 0, x coordinate is there, means point lies on x axis, right? So this is your second point. Okay, so next see, y coordinate is 2, x coordinate is 0, point lies on y axis. So this is the point. Okay, so join them with the free hand. It is a curve. Okay, so it is a curve. Okay, so now show the area. How we will show the area? This area we have to find. Okay, so if you observe, the area is right side of your y-axis. So we can take a positive only, right? And values are minus 2 to 2. Now your curve is with respect to y. So you have to take into dy. Suppose curve is with respect to x, we have to take into dx. So come on, now we will write area is equal to, from which point to which point? It is minus 2 to 2, right? So it is minus 2 to 2, and the curve is, what is the curve? It is 4 minus y square. So it is with respect to y, so into dy. Be careful, small things, but you should have logic in it, right? Curve is with respect to y, we can integrate with respect to y only, isn't it? That's why we have to write dy. And see the function, it is 4 minus y square. right? So 4 minus y square means it is even function. In y place, suppose if we substitute minus y, its a square means again we will get y square. So is a given function is, it is even function, right? It is even function. So whenever it is even function, what happens to this integral value? 2 times of 0 to 2, isn't it? Integral minus a to a f of x dx, if f is even, is equals to 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx. We applied so many times that formula. Again we are applying here, right? So this is even function. So integral minus 2 to 2 can be taken as 2 times of 0 to 2. Okay, so it is 4 minus y square into dy. Okay, so 2 into, come on, integral 4 into dy, integral dy is y, so it is 4y, minus integral y square is y cube by 3. Okay, so now you take the limits right side. Okay, so first in y place upper limit, then lower limit you have to substitute. So come on, we can write, here place is not sufficient, here we can substitute 2 into, come on, 4 into 2 minus 2 cube by 3. So in upper limit, wherever y is there, we have to substitute 2 minus in lower limit, right? 0 is there, we have to substitute that lower limit in the function. So 4 into 0 minus 0 cube by 3 we have to take. So is equal to 2 into 4 2s are 8 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 by 3. No need to take the values 0 into something, 0 cube, zeros only. Right, so is equal to 2 into, what is the LCM? 3 is the LCM. 8 3s are 24 minus 8. Right, so it is 2 into 24 minus 8, 16 by 3 is equal to 16 2s are 32 by 3 square units. That is the answer of your area. Right, area covered by this curve. What is this curve? This curve is x is equal to 4 minus y square. That is the curve with the, what is this line? This line is y axis, that is x is equal to 0. So area covered by this curve and y axis we have to find. So how we have to find? So first we have to solve it so that we will get from which place to which place, right? So here we got y is equal to, right, we got the values are y is equal to minus 2 to y is equal to 2. We have to find the area. Okay, so here we have to draw like this, y is equal to 2 if you draw one line, and y is equal to minus 2 if you draw another line parallel to x axis, and those two lines and the curve and the line, that area we have to find. Okay, so for that first you find out y values. We got minus 2 to 2. With that construct one table. By seeing the table you construct the diagram. Why we need a diagram means we should know whether the area is right side of your y axis or left side of your y axis. If it is a right side it is plus, if it is a left side it is minus. Value we have to take that curve equation while finding the area. Okay, be careful, that's why we have to draw the diagram, otherwise no need to draw the diagram. Now come to the second question. Find the area enclosed between the curves. So given curves are given that, come on, so what is that? It is y is equal to x square and y is equal to 2x. You consider this as first equation, this as second equation. Okay, so by solving 1 and 2, by solving 1 and 2, we get the point of intersection. So come on, how we will solve? X square is equal to 2x. Then you will have x square minus 2x is equal to 0. Then x can be taken outside. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 are the points. Okay, so once we got x, right, so we have to construct the table. Here two curves are there, y is equal to x square, y is equal to 2x, right. So you take x values 0, 1, 2. Okay, next you take first curve as y is equal to x square, and next you take y is equal to 2x. Okay, so this one you have to take. So now come on, find out the values. First substitute y is equal to x square. 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, right. Next to 2x, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2, 2 to the 4. Okay, now you construct the diagram for this. So for y, we have to get maximum up to 4, right. For x, that is 2. Okay, so now you take 0, 1, 2, 3, right. 4 is y is till 4 we are having. So come on, we can take the values like this, x axis and y axis. So we have to take the diagram like this. This is your 0, x is 1, 2, so maximum 1, this is 2, this is your x axis. On y we are having maximum 4, right. So we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, this is your y axis. Okay, so first try to construct your line. Generally first try to construct line, then the curve. Okay, so 0 at 0, this is the point, right. Okay, so next 1 at 2, so 1 at 2, this is the point. Next 2 at 4, so 2 at 4 we have to take, right. So join these points, right, it's a line. Okay, so this is nothing but y is equal to 2x. Okay, now come to this curve, y is equal to x square, 0 at 0, same point, right. Next 1 at 1, 1 at 1 means here is the point. Next 2 at 4, 2 at 4, same point, join them, right. So this is the curve. So what is that curve? Y is equal to x square is the curve. So which area we have to find? This area we have to find, right. So in between x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2, right. So x is equal to 2 means exactly here you will get the line. Okay, so this is your x is equal to 2 and this is your x is equal to 0. Y axis is x is equal to 0. So this area we have to find. So now observe in this area which comes first? Upwards. First means upwards. Which comes upwards? Which comes downwards. So your line y is equal to 2x. This is the line, right? So y is equal to 2x comes upwards and y is equal to x square comes downwards. Okay, so therefore area is equal to, how we will take integral x values are from 0 to 2, right? 0 to 2. First the line equation, right? 2x minus the curve equation x square into dx. It is with respect to x. So 2 into integral x is x square by 2. Integral x square is x cube by 3. Once integrals over, we have to take the limits right side. 2 cancel is equal to, it is 2 square minus 2 cube by 3. Okay, it is 4 minus 8 by 3. So 3 is the LCM. So it is 12 minus 8 is equal to 4 by 3 square units is the answer. Okay, so if you get correct answer, you will enjoy it, right? Actually, with the practice, you will know the answer also, isn't it? They won't change any value. They will give the curve equations, line equations as it is. So if you do one time, second time, your brain will take the answer also, isn't it? If you did wrongly, it will be like that, no, this is not correct, it should be 4 by 3 like that. So with practice, you will know all those things. Okay, so same concept, we have to find the point of intersection of two curves. Then we will get from which point to which point we have to find the area. After that, you construct the table. By seeing the table, you construct the diagram. Why diagram? From the diagram, you will know which curve comes upwards, which curve comes downwards, right? So the curve which comes upwards should be taken first, minus the curve which comes downwards should be taken next, second function, while taking the integration, right, while finding the area. After that, normal definite integral, find the integral value, and in that derived function, wherever x is there, first upper limit, minus wherever x is there, lower limit. With that, you will get your answer. And always area must be taken as square units. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.